Are these triangles similar? If they're similar, then they're proportional. When all three angles are congruent in one triangle to all the three angles in the second triangle, then they're congruent. If they're similar, it can be bigger or it can be smaller. Two angles of a triangle, there's only one option for the third angle to be. So if we're talking about triangles, two pairs of congruent angles is also enough information to say that those two triangles are similar. Questions you will see will ask, are these triangles similar? And then you say yes or no, and then you have to give the reason why. I'm not going to give a proof, and we're not even going to state that this is the angle-angle similarity postulate. All you need to do is show that two pairs of angles are congruent. So the question is a yes or no question, and then you show the work whenever you have to do any calculations. So you can say yes whenever there are two pairs of congruent angles. When you have something else other than two pairs of congruent angles, then your answer would be no. Those triangles are not similar. And one more time, here's an example of where you will have two pairs of congruent angles. So that's enough to say that yes, those two triangles are similar. For this kind of a problem to be complicated, you might be given angles like this, where you don't automatically notice that you've got two or three pairs of congruent angles. So then you have to do the calculations to find the missing angles, and then you'll notice that you do have two and or three pairs of congruent angles. And so then yes, you show that work, and then you can say that those two triangles are similar. Another similarity postulate that we will use is the side, 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 and we don't have to say side, side, side. We just have to show that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So do the division, then simplify, and then say yes or no. And in this case, it's yes. The next similarity postulate we're going to use is side, angle, side. And again, you don't have to say side, angle, side. You just have to have two pairs of corresponding sides that are proportional, and the angle between them has to be congruent. So the pair of angles has to be congruent. You do the division to show that each pair of corresponding sides are proportional, and then you simplify to show that they're the same thing. And then your answer in this case is yes. Whenever your answer is no, you still do the division, and you show that the simplification is not equal to the next one, and that is true for the side, angle, side, and the side, side, side similarity postulate.